everyone, it's Ann Kelly at Made with a Mission. So if you've ever been to a nail salon or spa, you know those hot washcloths that they bring out at some point while you're there, probably like the best part there. You can actually make those at your own house. So what you're gonna do is grab a washcloth, roll it up however many you want, and then grab your crock pot, place the washcloths in the crock pot, and then take a mixture of 2 cups of water and 15 drops of lavender, 15 drops of ylang ylang. That's what I have in here right now. We will have other essential oil combinations in the comment section, so you can just be on the lookout for that if you don't want to use this one. But go ahead and pour it all over the washcloths. Make sure they're just damp, not soaking. That way they're not too wet when you take them out. Turn the crock pot on to a warm setting, and then you're gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours until you are ready for your spa night. And with that, you're good to go.